All right, y'all. Back on the truck. I know I didn't record it, but I took the leaf springs off so we could get this flip kit on. Got that in the mail. Got stuck because I didn't have a vice grip to take this out, flip it around. Got that now. But if you're doing it like me and you're taking out, using just jacks and shit, when you take off this top leaf spring, this is a 93, so you can take that bolt out. I hear that on the Cat Eye you can't take that front bolt out because of the gas can. I guess on a 93 you can. So anyway, I took the leaf spring off, but when you take this top bolt off here, you knock that out or unscrew it out, whichever way you do it. Make sure you're not hovering your head right here because this thing's going to fly up. You're going to get a rude fucking awakening. Don't put your face around this when you knock this spring off here. Other than that, dude, let's get this shit back on here. All right. All right. I'm going to try to pick this up here and put this in. So you grab that in, you grab this in, it's heavy. All right, I found the bolt I lost, so now I'm trying to lower the back of the truck so that we can put the leaf spring back on. I'll lower the back a lot, and it still doesn't reach all the way, so I guess I'm going to lower it some more. And we're almost in the fucking ground. It's very sketchy. This is very sketchy. Very sketchy, and I think I might have to call one of my friends because why is this not reaching now? Why does this not reach now? I don't understand the problem here. Yeah, that can't go any fucking lower. So maybe I'll have to push this shackle forward. Yes. I'm gonna have to unloosen this one and move that forward. I don't have a fucking wrench that big. Dude, problem after fucking problem. Okay, that's in there. I'm about to jack that shit back up. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I got to get that loose and then I'll get back to y'all. All right, y'all. A lot of finagling going on there. All right, y'all. Got a lot of finagling going on. I got this fucking shackle loose enough, even though that bolt is tight as shit on the bottom there. I got it loose enough. Apparently, I need to tilt this forward more to get that to reach up there. Something with lowering it that made that have to be that way. I don't know. I mean, normally though, I guess you probably would have taken that bottom bolt out, so you would have just put it back. Yeah. Anyway, let's try to get this done. All right, y'all. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I don't know why. I don't know why. I guess 'cause that's the way they built in the factory. But I was thinking it goes like this with the U bolts over the top. It doesn't go that way. I thought they sent me bolts that were too short, but it goes like this over the fucking axles. Duh. Duh. Oh, okay, I'm gonna ditch this fucking chair. Sit on the ground. Just gonna sit on the ground. Try to get these on. Yeah. Just gonna get them started and then we'll fix it to where it's supposed to be. I ordered some shock extenders. I was hoping they'd be here this weekend, but no bueno, they're not. No luck with that. So they'll be here tomorrow. Fortunately, I could have got it done today, but ugh, come on. Oh man. I don't want to strip any of these. That'll be a nightmare, dude. So nice and slow. Dude. These bolts they sent are not very. There we go. Like you gotta be. They don't start real easy. But they are locked, whatever. So you can only get them so high with your hand. Ow, my finger. Flip kit's done, dude. That thing dropped like a lot. Like a lot, a whole lot. Way more than I was thinking. Like, it's supposed to be 6 inches, but dude. Dude. I don't got the bed on, so I can't really tell, but when I took it off the jack, bro, it went zoop. Dude. I think that breaks, I don't know.